Hi everyone, I wanted to do a video because I received a package from, well, you can't tell who it is, but it's from Sigma Beauty, and I'm so excited and I want to open it with you and we can check out the goodies together. By the time this video goes up, I may already be in New Orleans, which I talked about for the Creators and Friends trip. And it turns out that Sigma Beauty was one of the sponsors, and they did reach out beforehand and ask if I would like to receive a box of goodies, and who was going to say no to that? Certainly not this girl. So I said yes, and I'm really excited to dive in and see what they've picked for me. I have no idea what they've selected, so let's get on into this. So the very first thing is the Sigma Spa Express brush cleaning mat. So the nice thing about this, I have one that I kind of keep in my sink, and it doesn't have a really wide base or tons of these different textures. So this is really cool. It has all sorts of different textures, so you can really get in there and clean out your brushes. So I'm very excited about this. I'm really hoping maybe there's even some brush cleaner because I am currently out and theirs is really good. I've used it in the Sig Magic. I've gotten through 2 of those. In fact, I took one with me when I went to one of my good girlfriend's weddings, and it was in Belize. And so I went down there and I figured, just to be nice, I was like, your makeup is supposed to look really good on your wedding day. So the night before, I washed all of her makeup brushes with the Sig Magic. So I was like, when was the last time you washed these? And she's like, I don't know. But I was like, best believe you're going to have clean makeup brushes for your wedding day. This is the Sigma F47, and this is the multitasker. And it says a unique angle for foundation, blush, bronzer, and more. Oh, wow. Okay. I am so excited about this. I have done a ton of Amazon influencer videos on all of the different brushes that I have. I've purchased with my own money. Sometimes I've gotten them through like BoxyCharm, Ipsy, through their own website. Like I have purchased Sigma brushes for years, and you can see it on my channel, but I am so excited. I do not have this brush, and I will certainly make an Amazon video on this brush too. This is a unique shape. It is more of like this reminds me of similar to the BK101 angled foundation brush. Now with these, and I'm assuming this too, they're going to be vegan, they're going to have synthetic fiber hairs, and they're going to have a 2-year warranty. I'm assuming it's the same with all the rest of these, but I can always look that up too. But the multitasker, love this. Okay. I have 2 of these. This is the Sigma F80. This is one of my favorite flat top kabuki foundation brushes. I might keep this one in the package because I may give it away to a girlfriend because I already have 2, and I'm trying not to have too many duplicates of brushes. This is such a great foundation brush. If you've never tried it, you should definitely try it. This is the F25 tapered face. I know I have this one as well. Really good for bronzer, blush, powder, highlight, and it's not too wide. It's kind of tapered is in the name, but yeah, this is a really great brush. So this is the F76 chiseled cheek. The white hairs shorter. I don't remember very many of the brushes that I have from Sigma being in the white. This is a really good size. Ooh, I'm really excited for this one. This is the F64 soft blend conceal. This is perfect. I love this one. That is that perfect right under here concealer, just enough density, but not being too harsh, or a very specific highlighter, right? Very specific powdering could also be good for that. This is the Sigma E15. This is a flat, very skinny definer. I use this one all the time for smudging out the bottom, for making eyeliner, for doing a wing out of powder eyeshadow. I really love this brush for that. This I definitely have. This is the Sigma E35. Unlike the 25, which is a little bit flat on both sides, this one is more round, and it's just great for laying down that first crease or all over color. I definitely have this brush as well. It's a really good one. This is the E54 medium sweeper. You can't really see that. Honestly, this doesn't feel that familiar to my collection. I'm wondering if this is actually new to my collection. Medium sweeper. I'm gonna have to look. I don't know if I have this brush. I have this in the color tint, and this is in the color Tranquil. This is their kind of like their lip sleeping mask. This is such a creamy, like overnight mask. Who's to say you can't wear it during the day? It comes with a little clear spatula. This is very exciting because tint is more of the natural and nude tint of brown, tint of color, and this definitely has a tiny bit of pink grapefruit almost. Sigmagic brush shampoo foam. I've never done this one. I've done the one with the brush and the soap included, the Sigmagic, and I've done their liquid soap, but I have not done this soap. I'm so excited for this. This is a Sigma Switch, and this is so good if you have a pigmented color or just you're using one brush and you just swirl to get off a lot of the color and then you can go in with it again for another color. You use this and you're good to go. This I do have as well, and this is the cream blush in Pashmina. And so I'm not going to, I can grab mine and I can show you what that looks like. This I'm really excited about because I've used their lip oils and I've never tried their lip cream. This looks more like a cross between a lip gloss and a lipstick, and this is in the color Begonia. They make a really excellent lip mask. I love the one in tint as well, but look at this color. It's so pretty. Wow, Sigma, thank you so much. There's an eyeshadow palette in here. I recently purchased the Ambiance palette from Sigma, and I really enjoy that one. So if you're into kind of a neutral browns, golds, that one is a really excellent one you may want to check out. I've seen some of their 9 pans. They're so great in size and perfect for traveling, which maybe I should take one of these with me on the trip to New Orleans. This is a nice mixture. This reminds me of almost a tiny bit on the brown side. If Monter Renaissance mixed their colors, not quite the red, not quite the brown, but it would be this, right? Or a little bit cross of Modern Renaissance and Soft Glam. This is so cute. I love that. And I love how you can see the color through it too, so you can see what you're getting. Ooh, this is a highlighter. I've never tried one of their highlighters. I have recently purchased their blush palette, and their cheek products are really good. I like the powder ones. I like the cream ones. I'm excited for this. And this is in the color Sizzle. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You probably want to be able to see look at that. What a beautiful shade. I'm so excited for that. So pretty, gorgeous. Okay. The next one in here is a blush, Tiger Lily. I think that's in the palette that I just got. So if this is a single for it, then I might give away this one as well, because I already have it in that 6 pan. It's like a big palette of blushes. Ooh, and I like, you see the highlighter is a little bit like lighter, and then this one is a little bit more rose gold. You know, I think I do. I'm going to check really quick, but this is, wow, that's beautiful. It's got a little speck and like reflective gold in there. I really like that. And it looks like it's like satin slash shimmery. So I'm going to check, but I might have this color already. This is very exciting. We had the blush, we had a highlighter, and now we have a bronzer. So this is the matte bronzer in medium. You know what? It doesn't look so dark that I won't be able to use that. So I'm very excited to try that one out. I've heard really good things about the bronzers too. So I am excited for this. Oh, you know what? There's actually another bronzer in here, and I think it says light. So I can show you now a comparison of the light and the medium next to each other. Let me do that. Light, and then let me hold it up next to medium. Okay, so actually I think either of those would work. So this is going to be light, and this is going to be medium. If you had to name your favorite step, blush, highlight, or bronze, what's your favorite? List it down below. I guess your favorite cheek step is what I mean. There's a few more brushes in here. Okay, so let me see. The first one is the F40 Large Angled Contour. Again with the white bristle. Interesting. Okay, I'm pretty sure I do not have this one. Ooh, I like this. Okay, I love it when they have like an angled brush like this that you can really just get in there, and I'm excited for that. Y'all, it's my favorite brush. It's the E25. I'm so happy to see you. Like I said, I have like 4 of these. It's just the best one. Look at this. How it's just a tiny bit tapered. It's a little bit flat, as if you like kind of squished it between your fingers. It's perfect. Love it, love it, love it. It's my favorite brush. Absolutely. The next thing we have is the F03, which is the high cheekbone highlighter. I know I have this brush for sure. And it is basically just a very precise highlighter. I know I already have at least one, maybe two of this, so I'm going to keep this one in the packaging. And then the very last item in here is it's the E42. I am pretty sure I have this one, but here's one of the reasons why I love it and I want to have another of it is because, I don't know if you've noticed, but I've got smaller eyes. And so sometimes when I'm trying to do quote unquote crease work, if I want to try and get something a little bit more precise, this is the type of brush that you can do that with. Let me show you. It's just like, just look how itty bitty tiny that is. I love something like this. If you're really trying to get in there, define something, oh, yeah, perfect for that. Perfect. Thank you so much to Sigma for sending all of these goodies over. I am just beyond excited. Let me see for a fact the Pashmina cream blush. Let me grab that. Here is what the color Pashmina in the cream blush looks like. Looks like this guy right here. And I'm sorry that my makeup looks dirty. It's because I use it, okay? So let me show you all the colors that they do have in this collection. The Corta Rosa, which is my favorite. There. Coral Dawn. Nearly Wild, which is the deepest, but don't be scared of it because you can go in with a light hand, I promise. Let me do this. This is what they all look like. Worst beauty YouTuber. This is why I can't be a beauty YouTuber. How about this? Oh, did I do it? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. These are the 4 colors. I stuck my finger right in there. I don't even know what color I stuck my finger in. And then the other thing I was going to show you is this blush palette that I purchased. So Tiger Lily, yes. So I have the Tiger Lily already, so I'll go ahead and give away the other one. But here is what that blush palette looks like. I mean, so beautiful. And here is that Tiger Lily color. And then this Corta Rosa, this is the same color as the cream, but in the powder version. So there's the Corta Rosa, there is the Tiger Lily right there. Now I know the Sigma also makes a highlighter palette and I believe a bronzer contour palette as well. I picked this one up around Christmas time because I just thought it was really pretty, but they do have the others if you want to check that out as well. I think I possibly have a temporary code, and if that is in fact true, I will put it in the description box and you can save, I think it's 10%, but if it doesn't work, I will link one of my friend's codes who has like a permanent code, I think, with Sigma. So if that is your jam and you want to check them out, you definitely should. I love the quality of their brushes and their makeup, so check them out if you're looking for any of that. And if you want videos on any of the specific brushes, you can check them all out under my Amazon influencer shop, which is amazon.com/shop/Shelly Nathan. So thank you to Sigma for sending all of these goodies over. Cannot wait to dive in more to them. I just really appreciate your generosity. I'll be seeing maybe someone from the team in New Orleans, but if not, thank you. If I don't get to say thank you to you in person in New Orleans, however you say it, thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.